Okay, dear students, topic for today is sustainable development. We have already discussed about this topic, sustainable development, that what is actually when we are actually developing, but taking in account that our development is not causing any harm to the future generation. This is what we call sustainable development. So let's understand what is actually objective of sustainable development. It is to prevent excessive depletion and degradation of natural resources. Whenever we talk about sustainable development, we should know why we are talking about it. We are talking about it because it affects all the areas of our life and of course the future generation. So the objective is to prevent excessive depletion and degradation of natural resources. The second is to use energy more effectively, efficiently, and improve quality of human life. Whatever energy resources we are using, whether they are renewable or non-renewable, we have to use it efficiently and we have to improve the quality of human life. To shift from polluting fossil fuels to renewable resources of energy as derived from the sun, we have to shift from fossil fuels to renewable resources. Why we need to do this? Because fossil fuels could not be renewed with 10 or 20 years. They take thousands and lakhs of years to be regenerated. But renewable resources like energy from the sun can be regenerated every day. When sun comes, we again gain the energy of the sun. So these kind of renewable resources of energy should be taken into account for our day-to-day life. To stall the pace of renewable resources to the rate at which they can be regenerated and replaced. So of course, if we are using renewable resources, then also the rate we are using, the pace we are using these renewable resources should be consistent, and it should be at such a rate that renewable resources can also get that margin to be regenerated. ऐसा ना हो कि अगर हम renewable resources use करने बैठ गए हैं, so we are simply exploiting them. We have to use it in a proper pace wherever there is a need. Next is to promote equity and fairness in utilization of resources. So if we are using resources, we should promote equity and fairness while utilizing the resources. The next is to install measure for protecting ecosystem to consider economic and environmental in decisions. हमें कुछ ऐसे measures जो हैं उनको take care करना चाहिए या उनको use करना चाहिए so that we can protect our ecosystem. And if we are protecting our ecosystem, that means we are ultimately helping our economic and environmental development. To fulfill the international obligation related to environmental issues. So one objective of talking about sustainable development is that we have to fulfill the international obligation related to environmental issues. We are not only responsible for our life or the surroundings. We are not only responsible for our state or country, we are responsible for the whole world. So there are some international obligations on us that because of our nature or our kind of actions, the environment all over the world could not be affected. So we have to take care about that also. To reduce waste and pollution generation to levels at which they can be biodegraded and rendered harmless. तो हमें जो वेस्ट है या जो पोल्यूशन हमारी वजह से कॉज हो रहा है उसे इस लेवल तक रिड्यूस कर लेना चाहिए so that it is possible to biodegrade it and it could render harmless. Next is to slow down and ultimately stabilize population growth. Population growth is also a big issue during the development, the sustainable development. So our objective is also to slow down and ultimately stabilize the population growth, to reduce poverty that lead people to use resources and sustainability. So this is also one of the objective why we are talking about sustainability, because if we will go to this direction, we will be able to reduce poverty and it will lead people to use the resources with sustainability. Now let's talk in detail what actually sustainable development is. Sustainable development can be defined as meeting the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. Sustainable development is the effective use of resources for economic growth and economic development while preserving the environment and ecosystem, so that not only the needs of the present are fulfilled but also the future generations. So हमें सिर्फ अपने बारे में, अपनी प्रेजेंट के बारे में नहीं सोचना है. सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट इज एक्चुअली doing such kind of acts so that the resources we are using will be available for the future generation also, and in a good sense they will be available in a good quality. हमें उन्हें ख़त्म नहीं करना है रिसोर्सेज को, फ्यूचर जनरेशन के लिए सस्टेन करके रखना, लेकिन अपनी डेवलपमेंट को रोकना नहीं. दिस इज व्हाट वी कॉल सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट. सो व्हाट आर द मेजर्स वी कैन यूज टू गेन सस्टेनेबिलिटी. हम अचीव कैसे कर सकते हैं सस्टेनेबिलिटी को, सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट की, और कैसे बढ़ सकते हैं. द फर्स्ट इज यूजिंग एप्रोप्रिएट टेक्नोलॉजी. सो वी आर यूजिंग टेक्नोलॉजी एवरीडे लाइफ. If we will prefer the technology which is eco-friendly, which is locally adaptable, which is resource efficient, so these kind of technology if we are using, that means we are moving towards sustainable development. The second is 3R approach. We already know what is this 3R approach. The 3R stands for reduce, reuse and recycling, and this is a need of R. Reduce, reuse and recycle. Whatever we are doing, we should reduce wastage, we should reuse how much we can, and we should go for recycling. हमें अपनी जो डे टू डे लाइफ है या हमारी जो नीड्स हैं, डे टू डे नीड्स हैं, उनको इतना ज़्यादा लैविश नहीं बना लेना है कि हम एक चीज़ यूज़ कर रहे हैं, वेस्ट भी कर रहे हैं, उसे थ्रो भी कर रहे हैं, रिसाइकल नहीं कर रहे हैं. कोई भी अमीर या गरीब नहीं हो जाता इफ दे आर यूजिंग 3R अप्रोच. बट हाँ, हम लोग इतने मायूस और गरीब हो जाएंगे अगर हम सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट की ओर ध्यान नहीं देंगे. थर्ड इज प्रोमोटिंग एनवायरमेंटल एजुकेशन अवेयरनेस. दिस इज वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट टू spread awareness among young generation, especially, not only young generation, to all, but especially the young generations, because you are the future. So promoting environmental education awareness is very important. We should tell young ones that they should not throw waste here and there. They should not throw their toys, plastic toys here and there. Reuse your stuff if possible. Try to make the स्टफ टू बी रिसाइकल्ड. बहुत सारे ऐसे प्लांट्स, ऐसे मेजर्स हमारी लोकल सोसाइटीज़ में लिए जा रहे हैं जिसमें रिसाइकलिंग हो रही है, तो वी कैन कंट्रीब्यूट इन दैट. ये नहीं कि हम इतना एफर्ट ही नहीं कर रहे हैं कि हम उस रिसाइकलिंग प्लांट तक अपने वेस्ट मटेरियल को पहुंचा दें. वी शुड डू सम एफर्ट्स ऑल्सो फ्रॉम आवर साइड टू मेक दिस हैपन. नेक्स्ट इज पॉपुलेशन स्टेबलाइजेशन. पॉपुलेशन स्टेबलाइजेशन स्टैंड्स फॉर दैट the population will increase at a stable rate. ठीक है, वो बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सप्लोजन नहीं होना चाहिए पॉपुलेशन में, और पॉपुलेशन कम हो जाती है तो भी हमारे जो इकोसिस्टम है वो अफेक्ट होता है. सो पॉपुलेशन स्टेबलाइजेशन कैन बी attained only with the awareness among the young generation. Next is conservation of non-renewable resources. The resources, we already know that the fossil fuels, these all are non-renewable resources. We should conserve them, should not waste them. Campings have been done by the government also, by some NGOs also, to make people aware about this harm, we are making the harm to non-renewable resources, we should be aware by ourselves. It's our duty, it's our self-discipline that yes, we are not wasting non-renewable resources, we are conserving them as much as we can. Use of renewable resources, it should be emphasized. Use of renewable resources should be taken into consideration at the most, क्योंकि यही एक ऐसी चीज है जो हमें सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट तक ले जा सकती है, क्योंकि हमें अपना काम कंप्लीट करना है, हम अपनी डेवलपमेंट को रोक नहीं सकते और उस डेवलपमेंट के लिए हमें एनर्जी सोर्सेस चाहिए. सो वी शुड स्विच टू द रीन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज. हमारी डेवलपमेंट रुकेगी भी नहीं एंड हमारे जो नॉन रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज हैं वो कंजर्व भी होंगे, पॉल्यूशन भी नहीं होगा एंड वी विल बी मूविंग टुवर्ड सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट. नाउ हाउ टू अचीव सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट, हम उसे कैसे पा सकते हैं, सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट को अचीव कैसे कर सकते हैं. There are many points, let's discuss one by one. The first is reduce our dependency on heavy metals and fossil fuels such as coal, oil and natural gases. The first thing is we should reduce our dependency. हमें अपनी it is the same thing which we have just done कि हमें renewable resources की तरफ move करना चाहिए. That means we are reducing our dependency on heavy metals and fossil fuels, because these heavy metals and fossil fuels and coal etc., these are non-renewable resources. So we are switching to renewable. That means we are reducing our dependency to these resources. The next is reduce our dependency on synthetic chemicals. These synthetic chemicals cause a big harm to our environment and this harm could not be हम इसे ठीक नहीं कर सकते हैं by the passage of so many years also. तो आने वाली जनरेशन के लिए ये सबसे बड़ा खतरा है if we are not reducing the use of synthetic chemicals. प्लास्टिक है, आपके पेस्टिसाइड्स हैं, जो भी ऐसी चीजें हैं जो एनवायरनमेंट को हार्म करती हैं उनको यूज करना हमें रिड्यूस करना चाहिए जितना ज्यादा हो सकता है. The next is how to achieve sustainable development. We can reduce our destruction of nature, including clearing of forest, natural habitats for human needs. हमें अपनी नीड्स को पूरा करने के लिए जो हम डिस्ट्रक्शन कर रहे हैं हमारी नेचर की, सब जानते हैं कि ये हो रहा है, बट वी आर नॉट टेकिंग अ सिंगल स्टेप टुवर्ड्स दिस. हम इसे रोकने के लिए क्या कर रहे हैं? रोकने के लिए कुछ नहीं करना, आपको सिर्फ अपने आप को ये चीज समझानी है, आपको खुद सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन में आना है दैट वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू हार्म नेचर ऑन एनी कॉस्ट. हम अपना नुकसान सह सकते हैं पर नेचर अगर खत्म हो गई so our future generation are going to suffer a lot. Next is ensure that we do not stop people from meeting their needs in order to achieve environmental sustainability. Rather, we must maintain a balance between environmental and economic sustainability. तो actually हमें करना क्या है? हमें अपनी डेवलपमेंट को नहीं रोकना है, हमें हमारे अपनी ज़रूरत की चीज़ों को पूरा करना है. ऐसा नहीं है कि हम अपनी डेली नीड्स को ही सेक्रीफाइस करने लग गए हैं. दिस इज नॉट एक्चुअली सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट. वी आर डेवलपिंग डे बाय डे, वी आर मीटिंग आवर नीड्स टू इट्स सेटिस्फैक्शन लेवल, बट वी आर यूजिंग सच वेज विच आर नॉट हार्मिंग एनवायरमेंट. तो हमें एक बैलेंस मेंटेन करना है हमारे एनवायरमेंटल एंड इकोनॉमिक सस्टेनेबिलिटी को अटेन करने के लिए, ना कि हमें अपनी नीड्स को सेक्रीफाइस करना है. ऐसा हमें कुछ नहीं करना है. नेक्स्ट अगेन, हाउ वी कैन अचीव सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट बाय द 3 R's, दैट इज रिसाइकल एंड रीयूज एज मेनी वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स एज यू कैन. मेक मोर गुड्स दैट लास्ट लॉन्ग एंड ईजी टू यूज, रिसाइकल एंड रिपेयर. हमें ऐसी ही चीजों को बनाना, इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए, खरीदना चाहिए जो आपको पता है दैट दे आर लास्ट लॉन्गर. सिर्फ कॉस्ट इफेक्टिवनेस देखकर अगर हम कोई ऐसी चीज बाय करते हैं जो जल्दी ही खराब हो जाएगी एंड देन इट इज गोइंग टू बी अ वेस्ट, तो वो गलत है. प्रेफर द थिंग्स विच आर लास्ट लॉन्ग. जैसे हमारी रिक्वायरमेंट उस चीज की तरफ बढ़ जाएगी, उसी तरह हमारा जो इंडस्ट्रीज हैं वो भी लास्ट लॉन्गर गुड्स को ही आगे आके मार्केट में उतारना शुरू कर देगी. अभी अगर जैसी डिमांड होगी वैसा ही आपका सप्लाई होगा. सो इट्स completely depend on the people who are demanding for the things. If you are demanding for last longer things, which are we are able to recycle them or we are able to repair them, then already the production will be accordingly, and it will impact a lot on the sustainable development. Next is depend on renewable resources of energy like sun, wind, biomass, flowing water, geothermal and tidal. We have already discussed this point, that we have to ensure that we are using our renewable resources of energy. Again, the last but not the least, that sustain Earth's biodiversity with emphasis on protecting vital habitats of the wild species. Not only human beings and not only the material things, we also have to protect our biodiversity. The animals around us, we have to protect them also. If we are protecting the species, we are maintaining the ecological balance. One of the most important point is stabilization of population growth. We have already discussed this point. Now, what are the problems we are facing in sustainable development? The first is